In Lahore, the rhythm of life moves with its roads. But beneath this movement lies a silent crisis. Every day, 80,000 passengers take journeys not realizing that each one adds to a growing environmental debt. From motorcycles and rickshaws to shared vans and private cars, they all run on fossil fuels. They all emit carbon. And together, they've turned our roads into moving exhaust pipes. With over 146 million passengers traveled annually, the city's transport emissions now exceed 18,953 tons of carbon every year. That's the weight of over 9,000 SUVs dumped into the sky every year. Motorcycles, the most popular, are also the dirtiest. They release over 5,345 tons of carbon each year. Shared wagons, 7,560 tons. Private cars, 6,048 tons. Add to that toxic gases, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, sulfur oxides, and particulate matter quietly entering lungs, bloodstreams, and homes. But what if we could rewrite this story? What if the very same roads could carry us toward a cleaner future? This is the vision behind the Yellow Line electric fleet. Just 32 electric vehicles, covering 2.56 million kilometers per year, can slash emissions down to only 640 tons of carbon annually. That's a net reduction of over 18,300 tons every single year. Over a 12-year life cycle, the Yellow Line avoids 351,997 tons of carbon. How much is that? Enough to fill 140 Olympic swimming pools with compressed carbon dioxide gas. Or better yet, the same as planting 872,000 mature trees. But we won't wait decades for trees to grow. The Yellow Line is already planting 10,000 trees under the Punjab Reforestation Initiative, aligned with the government's target of 7.5% forest cover by 2030. This is mitigation in motion, every kilometer run, every tree planted, every breath made cleaner. And there's another benefit, one you cannot see, but one that fuels green progress: finance. The Yellow Line qualifies for up to $150 million in climate financing and generates $2.2 million through carbon credits alone. Each year, its emission savings translate into 18,000 verified carbon credits ready for trade in global voluntary markets. This isn't just a transit project. It's a climate strategy, a financial instrument, a health intervention, and a symbol of modern Pakistan, all on four wheels. A city like Lahore doesn't need more roads. It needs smarter roads and cleaner journeys. Every citizen has the right to breathe clean air, to move without adding to pollution, to ride a bus that doesn't cost the earth. The Yellow Line gives us that right and a rare chance to lead the way. The Yellow Line is not just transportation, it's transformation. Cleaner cities, carbon savings, climate leadership. Let's take that route. The Yellow Line, moving people, healing air, building tomorrow.